Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Bob, CEO and founder of cryptoikonmedia, and you are watching Crypto Icon, a show where I talk about everything around crypto, Web3, and blockchain technology. So today we will take a look at some of major crypto news and some hot updates. But please note, I'm not a financial advisor. It is just for entertainment and information purpose. So let's start. So today we are going to talk about first of all the information. It's what is decentralized identity in blockchain, and I got this news from the Coin Telegraph. So I just want to give this credit to cointelegraph.com. So let's start. Okay, what is decentralized identity? A decentralized identity is a self-owned independent identity that enables trusted data exchanges. Decentralized identity is a emerging Web3 uh, concept based on a trust framework for identity management, such as decentralized identity management includes an approach to identity as administration that allow people to generate, manage, and control their personally identifiable information without centralized third party like registry, identity provide, or certification authority. Considered to be private and sensitive data, PII refers to the body of information about specific individuals that directly or indirectly identifies them. Usually, it combines name, age, address, biometrics, citizenship, employment, credit card accounts, credit history, etc. In addition to PII information that forms a decentralized digital identity includes data from online electronic device such as username and passwords, search history, buying history, and others. With a decentralized identity, user can control their own PII and provide only the information that is required to be verified. And decentralized identity management supports an identity trust framework where users, organizations, and things interact with each other transparently and securely. And and the number two, why does decentralized identity matter? A decentralized identity aims to give people official proof of identity and complete ownership and control over their identities in a secure and user friendly way. A variable proof of existence is often needed for citizens to access essential services like healthcare, banking, and education. Unfortunately, according to World Bank data, 1 billion people on our planet still do not have an official proof of identity. A considerable part of the population is in a precious positions, unable to vote, open bank account, own property, or find a job. The inability to obtain identification documents limits people's freedom. What's more, centralized identification systems are, insecure, fragmented, and exclusionary. Centralized identity databases are at risk as they often become prime targets for hackers from time to time. We hear about hacks and attack on the centralized identity solutions in which thousands of million of customer record are being stolen from major retailers. The ownership issues remain as well. Users who have traditional forms of digital identity still don't have complete ownership and control over them and are usually unaware of the value their data generates. In centralized, centralized PII is stored and managed by others, and thus becomes more challenging, if not impossible, for users to claim ownership of their identities. And decentralized digital identity address these issues by providing a way for digital identity to be used across multiple participating platforms without sacrificing security and the user's experience. In decentralized identity framework, user need only an internet connections and device to access it. And let's go for some other news. And I got this news from the Daily Hodl. So I just want to give this credit to dailyhodl.com. And popular crypto trader outlines how Bitcoin can overcome weeks of bearish price. So let's go for it. A popular crypto analyst and trader is unavailing what the leading digital asset Bitcoin needs to do to regain a key support level. The pseudonymous analyst Rekt Capital tells his 328 Twitter followers that the top crypto assets by market cap lost at 200 weeks moving average weeks ago, but has yet to flip it into resistance. And the trader says that if the king crypto could hold the area around $19,500, it could once again revisit its 200 weeks moving average. BTC is struggling near the 19,170 support, but interesting is that BTC is at a stable, yeah, subtle higher low compared to late June lows. BTC lost the 200 weeks moving average a week ago, but hasn't flipped it to new resistance. If green support holds, BTC could revisit the 200 week moving average. Rekt Capital then notes how Bitcoin buy volume now is similar to what is it was weeks ago. However, the trader says BTC price has been impacted less by the buying despite the token costing less. Weeks BTC buy volume is similar to buy volume of a few weeks ago. However, weeks ago similar volume produced a 10% move at higher price. This week, similar buy volume has produced a small reaction at lower price, and the most of it has, I mean, recently, the analysts also outlined how Bitcoin was fast approaching its bear market bottom. He said that BTC tends to bottom out a year after its previous bull market peak. It's been about 300 days since Bitcoin hit its last bull market peak, according to the trader. And let's go for the some other news. And I got this news from the. Let's go for it. Yes, it's a will 1 inch price finally flows. Follow its network activity north. And I got this news from the. It's it's ambcrypto.com. So I just want to give this credit to ambcrypto.com. Last week, 1 inch outperformed several crypto with its higher market capitalization gaining by over 4% in 7 days. The altcoin's price movement was not unexpected. However, as several developments in its ecosystem accelerated its incline. In fact, according to Misari, 1 inch nabbed the second spot, according for 34% of transfer volume. And the development also corresponded with the 1 inch price, as its 7-day chart was painted mostly green. At the time of writing, 1 inch was trading at I mean $6,894 with a market capitalization of 400 million 641,000 $696. What do metrics have to say? Recently, 1 inch was named the coin of the day in the terms of social activity, with its 24-hour social engagement hitting 13.3 million on the chart. And let's go for some other news as well, which is about Cardano. And I got this news from the You Today, and I just want to give this credit to youtoday.com. Cardano DeFi ecosystem has one major advantage over its competitors community. And let's go for it. According to an anonymous community driven account supports of Cardano, the largest proof of stake network, its ecosystem of decentralized finance protocol gains system in more democratic and independent manner than the ecosystem of the competitors. Building DeFi with no VC influence case of Cardano, according to the analysts shared on the Cardano Whale account. The I mean, uh, Cardano ecosystem of decentralized finance protocols has its own alternative to all administering protocol of DeFi Summer 2020. That being said, Cardano DeFi stake has its own compound finance. Aave Finance, Curve Finance, or MakerDAO. However, unlike Solana BNB chain, Near Protocol, Avalanche, and all other layer one platform from one platform since Ethereum. Cardano dApps do not depend on money injected by capitalists. As such, it can develop and I mean, gain traction in inclusive after fair manner, and it has security, decentralized community, and soon throughput to succeed. Cardano DApp family search day by day, as covered by You Today. Previously in 2022, the Cardano ecosystem witnessed a monstrous upsurge in Q2 2022. Its total value logged, metrics spiked by thousand of percentage. And let's go for the other news, which is about crypto ban won't happen anytime soon, says US congressman. And I got this news from the youtoday.com, so I just want to give this credit to youtoday.com. And let's go for it. uh, Democratic Representative Brand Sherman told that Los Angeles Times that cryptocurrencies won't be banned in the United States anytime soon. The head of the House Financial Service Subcommittee on Investor Protection claims that the US government didn't ban crypto when was still in its necessity, because it was viewed as unimportant. And now, however, there is too much money and lobbying behind the industry. Hence, a cryptocurrencies ban is impossible for the foreseeable further and sorry future. And the California politician is concerned about criminal misusing cryptocurrencies, as reported by You Today. He has repeatedly started the facilitate terrorism and other nefarious activity. Sherman has repeatedly called for a blanket ban on the digital asset, becoming the most vocal, critic of the industry in Congress. He claimed that cryptocurrencies had the support of an anarchists who are advocating for evasion. In July, Sherman replied up the supports of the XRP cryptocurrencies after stating that the controversial token is an unregistered security. The Coronado Cash ban, while the US government is now here close to imposing a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies, it did ban the controversial Tornado Cash protocol last month, ruffling the further of crypto lobbyists. The Treasury Department identified the popular coin mixing service as a significant threat threat to national security after it was repeatedly used by North Korean hacker for laundering stolen crypto. Sherman's singled out Cash as a matter of particular concern. Then the ban shows that US government is still capable of covering crypto is spite of strong lobbying efforts. However, there is some resistance in Congress. Crypto friendly Republican Tom Emmer started demanding an explanation from the Treasury Department regarding the Tornado Cash sensation that could have wide implication for the crypto industry. And guys, I hope you like the content for this video. And if you like the content for this video, please give me a thumbs up and also click on the subscribe button. So once I'll create a next video, you will get a notification automatically. And also share this video. And thank you for watching this video. And have a great day. We'll catch you soon. Thank you.